Hi, my name is Jeff Bish. I've been a trader for over 20 years, and as co-founder of MarketGauge.com, I hope that by sharing my insights about trading and the markets, I can help you reach your trading goals. In this video, I want to focus you on an important pattern to watch out for that has to do with days when the market is down big and then rallies at the end of the day. Essentially, if the market, as you can see here, was down big yesterday, this is the cues, down big, continued down during the day, and I can tell by the wick here that it rallied at some point. I also happen to know, and I'm going to show you, that the rally came at the end of the day. So when you have an end of the day rally, you want to take a look at which stocks participated in that rally, and also you want to find the stocks that actually rallied on good volume. Now, you would want to know these stocks if you wanted to identify which stocks may be worth looking at from the long side should this prove to be a kind of a big flush day. Now, I don't know if it will be or it won't be, but if the market opens lower and continues lower the next day, if I can find stocks that have rallied off of this low on big volume, then the day of this flush will have an important support level at the low of the day. In other words, the low of the day becomes more significant if the rally off that low of the day happened on big volume. Let me show you what I mean. Here are the cues on a 5-minute candle chart. And all I'm really focusing on in this video is the fact that the market's rallied in really the last half hour, 15 minutes. Now, if I can find, or what I'd like to find, are stocks that rallied on good volume with the pattern happening for more than just the last 15 minutes. Let me give you some examples. Okay. XCO, nice ramp up in volume. Does it mean that it's going to go higher the next day? Absolutely not. But it does mean that this whole low area of XCO is going to be a significant low to trade against. So here's from a day trading or a swing trading point of view. Here's your daily chart. This low is a significant low, and it's more significant because I've got this nice ramp up in volume there. And that's the point of looking at that last half hour, last hour of volume and good price action. I'll give you another example. LVS. Even nicer in terms of a stronger move and really ramps up in volume. And the other thing is it closes almost near the midpoint of the day. Again, this doesn't guarantee that it's going to open higher, but if it comes in lower from a day trading perspective, this big volume should be more support. This low should be good support. This low in here should be good support. Another example, MDRX. Okay, this one's a little bit different, and then we had a huge volume spike at the lows, and volume continued to be strong as it rallied higher. Another example that's with a different look. Shutterfly. A nice double bottom situation in here where the markets didn't do that. Shutterfly didn't make a new low, and the volume really ramps up in that last hour. Good price action, good volume. This area, especially from a day trading point of view, you're going to want to pay attention to. And finally, a completely different situation. GME. GME, despite the weekday, opens lower with the market and rallies all day, and importantly closes nicely with the rally in the market, again on strong volume. This is a pattern to watch out for. Why? Because this area of big volume at the end of the day is going to provide great support and resistance and inflection points for day traders and swing traders alike. Now, how do I find this?